Hey everyone, how's it going? For today's fun video, I'm going to be showing you how to draw Sonic, Knuckles, and Tails versus Shadow. So hope you follow along and enjoy this video today. Now to start off with our picture of Sonic, Knuckles, and Tails battling Shadow, let's begin right here with Sonic. So I'm going to start right here, and I'm just going to begin by making a line that's just going to go down, and then I'm going to curve this up and down here. Next, I'm going to curve this line down and then up. For the pupil, let's go ahead and just make a little line that goes down and up, and we'll just kind of color it in. Next, we'll curl this line in. Then we're going to bring this line back up here. Starting here, I'm going to curve this line. And then I'm going to curve a line that's going to come right around here, and then we're just going to connect it. We're going to make a little oval shape at the end for the nose. We'll make a little curve and then a line right here for a smile. Next, I'm going to bring this line just a little bit farther back. Then for the ear, I'm going to curve kind of like a pointed triangle shape. Then we'll kind of make a smaller version of that inside. Then we'll make another one right here. Next, I'm going to make a line that's going to curve out and then back for one of the spikes. And we'll make another one that's going to curve out and come back. Now let's make a little curve right here. And then let's make his arm. So starting right here, I'm going to curve a line that's going to come up. We're going to go down and then bring it back for that nice little skinny arm. Let's make a little bump and a little bump. And a little bump and a little bump that we connect. Let's make a line that's going to curve here. We're going to go 1, 2, and 3. And then we're going to curve this line here. I'll bring this up, and we'll just draw a line here so it looks like he's got a fist. Now we'll make another spike here. We'll make this come out, and we're going to bring this back up here. We're going to bring this line down. We're going to make a little point for the tail. Next, we're going to curve this line out and bring it back for the body. Then we're going to curve this line down for the leg. We'll bring this line down and connect it. We're going to make a little, like half of an oval shape. And then another one here. Next, we're going to make a line that's going to come up. We're going to go down and then connect here. Let's make a little line here. Then we're going to make a rectangle shape. A smaller rectangle shape. And then we're going to make 2 lines that come here. Then let's just connect this line. And let's make this little line right here. Now, starting here, I'm going to draw a line that's going to go down and then over. Let's do that again. Down and over and connect. We'll make 2 little bumps here. And 2 bumps here for the little sock. We're going to make this line come down. We're going to bring it around and then up to here. Little line around here. And 2 lines here. Next, starting here, I'm going to make a line that's going to come down and then up. And then another one's going to go down and up, and then we'll connect it here. 2 bumps, and then 2 bumps to connect it. We're going to curve this line around for a thumb. Then we're going to go 1, 2, 3, and then 4. And then connect it here. Then we'll make a little point back here for another one of his little spikes. Next, let's draw Knuckles up here. So I'm going to start here, and I'm going to begin by making a line that's just going to go down, and I'm going to curve it up here. Then I'm going to bring this line down and over to here. We'll make a little oval shape for the pupil. Then I'm going to curve this line up and leave a little bit broken there. I want to make this line come out to a little bit more of a point, and I'm going to curve it down. Then we're going to make this come around and to here. I'm going to bring this line down, and then this line to here. Then we'll make a little line for the teeth. Then we're going to make just a little bit more of like a pointy nose at the end. His was more of an oval, Knuckles has more of that kind of like pointed nose. Next, I'm going to curve this line back here, and then I'm going to bring it here. Then we'll make another one that's going to kind of curve down and then back up. Then I'm going to make one here that just comes down. And I'm going to bring this right to his face. I'm going to bring the spike over here. Then starting here, I'm going to make this line come out. I'm going to curve it and then bring it back here for his arm. I'm going to make a little kind of square shape on there. Then I'm going to curve this line around and in for the thumb. Then I'm going to curve this line around here. And then we're going to make the spikes. I'm going to make one here and then a smaller one back there. Then over here, I'm going to make a line that's going to curve out and then back around. We're going to make a little kind of rounded square shape around there. I want to make a line here and then a big curve right around here for his other glove. Then we're going to put a couple little spikes on here. And then I'm not too worried about putting much more of Knuckles in there, his legs or feet, because it's just going to get kind of all jumbled. So we'll just kind of leave it like that, keep it simple. Next, right here, I want to add tails. So I'm going to begin by making a line that's just going to curve down like this, and then it's going to come back up and down. We're going to go down, and then down here. Then we're going to bring this over to here. I'm going to curve this around and down. Then we'll make 1, 2, 3, and then 4 little points for his fur. Then we're just going to make a small little nose on here. Then we're going to make a little line here. And we're going to curve it in. I'm going to add a little black dot for the pupil. Then we're going to make a little line that curves up here. Next, we're going to make a little line that's going to come down and up here. Let's bring this up for the forehead. Then we're going to make 1, 2, and then 3 points for his hair. Let's curve this line. Then we're going to make a big point here for the ear. And then we'll connect this here. Little curve and another point. Bring this line down here. And a couple little zigzags for his chest. Right here, I'm going to bring a line that's going to come out, and we're going to bring this back for the arm with a little line down. Next, we're going to make kind of like a little round shape for part of the glove. Now I'm going to make a line that's going to curve around like this. And then I'm going to go 1, 2, 3, and then 4 little fingers. We're going to make another little arm that curves around here, and another little circle shape. Then we're going to go 1, 2, 3, and 4. And then we're going to make a little finger that's going to come out for the thumb. Now for his tail, we're going to curve a line that's just going to come around here. We're going to make 1, 2, and 3 points on it, and we're going to curve this back. Then we're going to connect it to here. Then we're going to add some points. We'll do another one here. We're going to curve this out with some points and bring it back. And then we'll make a couple more little points. Okay, so now that we have our 3 good guys, now we need to make Shadow over here. Now, to start off with Shadow, we're going to begin with his eye. So we're just going to start right here. I'm going to make a line that's going to come down and then back like this. Then we're just going to curve a line that's going to come down and up. We'll make a little pupil. Then we're going to make a little line like this for the eyebrow. We're going to curve this line here. We're going to make a line that's going to come up and then curve back for his ear. Then go ahead and put a small triangle in there too. We'll make another little one right here. Let's curve this line around here. And then we're going to bring this up and down here. Then we're going to make a little oval for the nose. Then we're going to make a little line that's going to curve right here for the mouth. Next, right here, I'm going to make a line that's going to curve towards the edge of the paper and come back. Then one that's going to curve down, and that's going to come back up. And then one more that's going to curve down and come back up. Next, starting here for the arm, I'm just going to draw a line that's going to come down, and then another one that comes down here to connect. I'm going to make a little kind of square shape on here. And then a curve for kind of like that gold ring that's almost around his wrist. Curve here with a line down. And then we're going to curve a line down here. And go 1, 2, and then 3 more. I'm going to make a couple little bumps here for the fur on his chest, and then a couple more here. I'm going to bring this line down. And then I'm going to bring this line out and then down here for a leg. We'll curve this over, and we're going to bring this around. I want to make a little smiley face here. I want to put a little curl around here for another one of those gold rings. And then we're going to make a little skinny rectangle here. Next, I'm going to draw a line that's going to come down, over, and down. I want to bring this over, a little bump, and then we're going to connect it. Next, we're going to come down, over, up and down, and then we're going to bring it to here. And another line there. Next, I'm going to make another line right here for the other leg. A little rectangle here. And another little line that's going to come down like this to show where his other shoe is. We're going to make a little point for the tail, and then a couple little spikes like this. Then the final thing is we're just going to make a little line up here, a little line here, and then we're going to connect this line, and then make a couple little lines here to show where there's going to be some different color. And there you go. There is your drawing of Sonic, Knuckles, and Tails versus Shadow. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed.